Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Will, founder and developer of OpenTea. It's an exciting time in OpenTea's history with version 2 now live. We're going to be diving into all the new features and walk you through how you can best maximize your game. So My Bag is a brand new feature coming to OpenTea in version 2. The reason we're bringing My Bag to OpenTea version 2 is we had a lot of requests from version 1 users that wanted to see where their shots potentially are going to end up so they can make better strategic decisions. We saw that there was a massive gap in the market when comparing competitors. There was nothing like this that was giving you a visual representation of where shots potentially are landing. So things like adding dispersion patterns, so your distances are all in there, your dispersion patterns. You can change the color of them so it's easy to track visually. So the way someone sets up My Bag is they add their clubs individually. So you've got woods, you've got irons, wedges, and all you need to do is put in the distance and we'll give you some default dispersion patterns for average players. From there you can tailor the dispersion, so the accuracy dispersion and then the distance dispersion. You can also put in path tendency as well. So another thing about My Bag is you can also see other people's bags, so what's in there, the distances, the dispersions, so you can compare. And actually, if you're the same handicap, that can be quite useful for understanding where you are at with your game. So the next feature I'm going to talk about is the 3D mapping, which is a mainstay in OpenTea since version 1. It's been the highlight feature for a lot of people using it and enjoying OpenTea. They can see around corners, they can see the topography. It's, they enjoy it. Every month we're adding about roughly 100 courses to the 3D dataset that we've got, which is really exciting because it means that more courses have got this access that we as golfers are able to go in and have a look at the clubs in that level of detail. So there are 32,000 clubs on OpenTea. About 7,000 of those are in 3D, so that stunning 3D detail that OpenTea provides. So we're adding almost 100 3D clubs every month at the moment. This is because Apple is providing more 3D mapping in different areas across the globe. So it's really exciting because more and more people are going to get access to this. Another feature that's already been in version 1 is Cadd AI. This has been much improved since version 1. So in version 2, we've got a better model for the knowledge base, for the accuracy, for the formatting of your responses. We've got better models for dealing with audio and tone of voice and all of those sorts of things. You can also get it to speak to you as if you're a professional, as if you're a beginner. And these sorts of things help people feel more comfortable, I think, if they're chatting it to it and getting feedback and answers. So the other day I was actually on Instagram Reels and a video came up of a skit of a guy hitting a ball into a puddle. And I was actually kind of taken with that. I was like, what happens? Do you have to play it as it lies, or is it a free relief? So then I went into Cadd AI and I asked it the question of, if you hit your tee shot, lands on the fairway and it goes into a puddle, what happens? And it's free relief. I got that answer instantly, and that is one of the great things about it. In version 2, OpenTea is now available on your Apple Watch. You don't have to get your phone app, so you can just leave your phone in the bag. Sometimes your phone, if it's in your pocket, can actually get in the way of the swing, that sort of thing. It's also just really convenient to be able to check distances like that. And then other than that, it's just really simple to use. Some clubs actually don't allow you to get your phones out. If you don't want to look bad for getting your phone out and operating on your phone all around, you can avoid that. We're really excited for you guys to get your hands on OpenTea version 2. It's a super exciting step for us. It's been a long time in the making. There's a ton of new features and updates to the app, from UI to generally how you navigate the app. We're just really excited to hear all your feedback, and we hope you enjoy using it. Bye guys.